Let's try to understand the I don't chase, I attract mindset. Imagine walking through a park on a crisp morning. Birds chirp, the air is fresh, and there's an undeniable peace around you. Now, think about how different this moment would feel if you were sprinting after something: a runaway balloon, a child straying too far, or even an elusive butterfly. Chasing shifts your energy. It creates urgency, stress, and the fear of losing something you desire. This is the essence of why the law of attraction emphasizes attraction, not chasing. The phrase "I don't chase, I attract" isn't just a trendy mantra, it's a mindset rooted in one of the most profound principles of manifestation. The law of attraction teaches that the energy you emit into the universe is reflected back to you. When you're in a state of chasing, you're often projecting feelings of lack, an invisible signal that tells the universe you don't believe you already have what you want. In contrast, attracting is about stepping into the frequency of abundance, embodying the belief that your desires are already on their way. Think about a magnet. It doesn't run after metal objects, it pulls them effortlessly. This is what happens when you stop chasing and start attracting. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and energy with your desires, you naturally draw them closer. Attraction isn't passive, it's about embodying the version of yourself that already has what you want. How do you break the cycle of chasing? Breaking free from the chase starts with awareness. Many people unknowingly operate from a place of desperation or over-effort, thinking that doing more will yield faster results. But here's the truth: over-effort often comes from a place of fear of not being enough, fear of time running out, fear of missing opportunities. This fear-driven energy repels what you're trying to manifest. A common mistake is focusing too much on how something will happen instead of trusting that it will. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to check its progress, you water it, ensure it gets sunlight, and trust the process. Chasing is like obsessively checking the soil, disrupting the natural flow of growth. Another pitfall is attaching your happiness to outcomes. Statements like, "I'll be happy when I get that job," or "I'll feel successful once I've achieved my goal," create a cycle of conditional happiness. This scarcity mindset sends a signal to the universe that you're not already fulfilled, which delays your manifestations. The shift comes when you embrace an abundance mindset. Start by affirming, "I already have everything I need within me." Believe that your desires are not something outside of you but an extension of who you are. When you shift your energy from scarcity to abundance, you'll notice how opportunities and blessings naturally flow into your life. Now, let's talk about the steps to effortless manifestation. Effortless manifestation begins with aligning your energy with your desires. This isn't about sitting back and passively waiting for things to happen, it's about actively becoming the kind of person who naturally attracts what they want. Think of it like tuning a radio. When you want to hear your favorite song, you don't beg the radio station to play it, you simply adjust the frequency until it matches the broadcast. One of the most powerful tools for aligning your energy is visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your desire as if it's already a reality. Engage all your senses, see it, feel it, hear it, and even smell or taste it. For instance, if you're manifesting your dream home, picture yourself walking through its rooms, feeling the smoothness of the countertops, hearing the gentle hum of the appliances, and smelling the fresh paint. Visualization reprograms your subconscious mind to believe in the possibility of your desires, making them feel not only achievable but inevitable. Another effective practice is scripting, where you write down your dreams as though they've already come true. For example, you might write, "I am so grateful for my fulfilling career where I feel valued and inspired every day." By framing your goals in the present tense, you signal to the universe that you already possess what you want, which reinforces a mindset of abundance and magnetizes your desires. Gratitude is another cornerstone of effortless manifestation. It's the ultimate abundance amplifier. Take a moment daily to list things you're thankful for, even the seemingly small ones, like a warm cup of coffee, a kind smile from a stranger, or a moment of peace in a hectic day. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing in your life to what's already abundant, creating a powerful energetic magnet for even more blessings. Finally, the art of letting go is crucial. Once you've set your intentions, resist the urge to control every detail of how or when they will manifest. Trust the process. Release your grip on the outcome and allow the universe to work its magic in its own perfect timing. This surrender isn't about giving up, it's about creating space for unexpected opportunities and blessings to flow to you. Effortless manifestation doesn't mean doing nothing. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the belief that your desires are already unfolding. When you embrace this mindset, you'll find that life begins to feel less like a struggle and more like a beautiful dance of synchronicity. Stop chasing, start attracting, and watch as your dreams flow effortlessly into your reality. Next, let's explore the power of letting go. Letting go is the final piece of the manifestation puzzle, yet it's often the hardest to master. Why? Because as humans, we crave control. We want to dictate every detail, from how our dreams will come true to when they'll arrive. But the law of attraction operates on trust in the universe, trust in divine timing, and trust in yourself. Imagine holding onto a handful of sand. The tighter you grip, the more it slips through your fingers. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your desires, it means releasing the need to control their arrival. It's about stepping back, taking a deep breath, and knowing that what's meant for you will find you. This surrender creates space for miracles to unfold. Here's the emotional shift: instead of obsessing over when your manifestation will happen, focus on the feeling of already having it. For instance, if you're manifesting love, stop worrying about when you'll meet your soulmate. Instead, cultivate self-love and practice being the best version of yourself. The universe mirrors your inner state, so when you radiate love and confidence, you attract people and experiences that match that energy. The magic of letting go is that it removes resistance. When you're no longer grasping tightly, you become open to receiving in ways you might never have imagined. The universe often delivers blessings in unexpected forms that may surpass even your wildest dreams. Let's explore some real-life stories of the I don't chase, I attract mindset. Let's bring this concept to life with some real-world examples, showcasing how well-known individuals have used this mindset to achieve remarkable success. Take the story of Oprah Winfrey, one of the most iconic and influential figures of our time. Early in her career, Oprah faced rejection after rejection in the broadcasting industry. She was even told she didn't have the look or style for television. But instead of chasing opportunities and trying to fit into molds others had created, she focused on becoming her authentic self. Oprah embraced her unique qualities, honed her craft, and trusted that the right opportunities would find her. When she landed her breakthrough role on The Oprah Winfrey Show, it wasn't because she forced her way into success, it was because she attracted it through authenticity and alignment. Today, Oprah credits much of her success to the power of intention and manifestation. Another inspiring example is Lady Gaga. Before she became a global sensation, Lady Gaga struggled to gain recognition in the music industry. She wasn't chasing record labels or trying to mold herself into what the industry wanted. Instead, she poured her energy into perfecting her art, staying true to her unique vision, and believing in her worth. In interviews, Gaga has often spoken about visualizing her Grammy wins and the impact her music would have on millions. Her focus on embodying the energy of success attracted the right opportunities, leading her to become one of the most celebrated artists of her generation. Then there's the story of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Before becoming a world-renowned actor and politician, Arnold was a young immigrant from Austria with dreams of making it big. He didn't chase Hollywood roles or political connections. Instead, he visualized his future with crystal clarity. Arnold has openly shared how he used visualization to see himself as a successful bodybuilder, actor, and leader. He focused on aligning his actions with his vision, trusting the process. Over time, opportunities unfolded naturally, paving the way for his historic achievements in multiple fields. These stories aren't coincidences, they're the power of alignment in action. Just like Oprah, Lady Gaga, and Arnold, when you embody the energy of your desires and trust the process, the universe responds in kind. The key is to focus on becoming the person who attracts what you want, rather than desperately chasing outcomes. When you let go of resistance and operate from a place of belief and confidence, life starts to flow in ways that feel almost magical. Manifestation is not a one-time act, it's a lifestyle. To maintain the I don't chase, I attract mindset, you need daily rituals that keep your energy aligned and your focus clear. Think of these practices as tools to help you stay in a state of flow and abundance, ensuring that your actions and thoughts are consistently aligned with your desires. Start your day with a morning alignment ritual. A short meditation or visualization session can set the tone for the day ahead. Picture your day unfolding effortlessly, with opportunities, joy, and ease coming your way. Set a positive intention, such as, "Today, I am open to receiving abundance in all forms." This simple practice grounds your energy and primes your mind for a day of alignment. Incorporate affirmations into your routine to reprogram your subconscious mind. Speak these affirmations with conviction, either aloud or silently. Statements like, "I am worthy of all my desires," or "I attract opportunities effortlessly" reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest. Repeating these affirmations regularly helps shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Before bed, engage in an evening gratitude practice. Reflect on your day and write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. Whether it's a kind smile from a stranger or a moment of peace, focusing on gratitude shifts your attention from challenges to blessings. This practice not only fosters a sense of contentment but also amplifies the energy of abundance in your life. Keep a vision board of your goals in a place where you can see it daily. Spend a few moments each day looking at it and immersing yourself in the emotions of already achieving those goals. Visual cues are powerful reminders that keep your desires at the forefront of your mind and reinforce your commitment to manifestation. Lastly, take mindful action toward your goals. Ensure that your actions are inspired and purposeful, rather than driven by fear or desperation. Before making a decision, ask yourself, does this action feel aligned with my highest self? When your actions come from a place of joy and authenticity, they carry more power and align you more closely with your desires. Consistency is key to reinforcing your mindset and creating lasting change. The more you practice these rituals, the more natural they'll feel, and the easier it will be to attract the life you desire. Over time, these habits will transform your mindset, making manifestation an effortless and integral part of your daily life. With these steps, stories, and practices, you're equipped to fully embody the "I don't chase, I attract" mindset. The journey isn't about controlling every detail, it's about becoming a magnet for the life you deserve. Trust the process, let go of the chase, and watch as your dreams flow effortlessly into your reality. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about harnessing the power of manifestation, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more transformative insights, tips, and real-life stories. Your journey to effortless attraction is just beginning. Let's grow together.